What should I do for my next reaction? City I'm from. We have dorms in high schools here in the Philippines. From the city I'm from. No judges. Survival kit. Survival kit. Okay, doing this. This is fun enough, so I can do it. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you really cool study hacks I found out recently, and I thought, why not do a video on it, because there's some really cool ones in here and I'm definitely
I'm gonna link their channel down below.
But let's not make this intro too long and let's get straight into the video. Okay, the first hack is a really basic one, but is a must for me when it comes to homework or revision, and it is highlighters. So here I'm using my absolute favourite highlighters ever, these Stipler neon highlighters. And the reason I think that highlighters are really important for homework is because you can highlight your key points and also makes your homework/revision look really pretty, and I tend to find if my homework looks nice, then I probably work harder.
No. Don't go now, sir, please.
Hack 2 is to not study or do your homework on your bed or just any relaxing area, because your brain recognizes your bed as a place where you sleep. So if you work on
Actually, the places I relax the most, that's where I can get most of my, not most, all of my work done. Because I know I'm gonna get relaxed there and not much stress. But on a hard table, I get anxiety. I think it depends on what kind of student you are. Depends if you want to do relaxing things. But most of the people I do know, they don't like to do something relaxing when they have to do homework, but I'm opposite, I guess. Sorry if you do hear Spanish counting, because I'm in my grandma's room and the videoke or the karaoke is hearable from here. Okay, let's continue.
I won't be able to focus, and all it's thinking is, okay, it's time to go to sleep. And if you
No,
continue
I never think that. I never
while,
sleep, by the way.
Your brain will think that your bed is a place where you study, and then at night you won't be able to sleep. So either way, it's not a good idea. So just back on the desk or the dining table or just on a hard,
I don't like the dining table.
not
I don't like
relaxing
studying on the
surface.
dining table. Yeah, I'm not like that. I don't sleep until 5 in the morning and have sleep for 2 hours every day. Study hack.
Hack 3 is to have water whilst you're studying, because this keeps you energized and it also keeps you awake. This water bottle was from Sports Direct. It was £7. It's a night water bottle, and it's really good because if you tip it, it doesn't spill. So yeah, that's really good.
Okay, I like that hack. Oh gosh, the study music first. Yes, do keep a water with you. Make sure it is a water bottle, because it will spill. Whatever you do, it will 100% spill. So do what she said on that hack number 3.
Hack 4 is to put away all your devices like your phone and your iPod. And I know on my phone there is a setting called time limit, so you can set a time limit on your phone, or you can also put it on do not disturb or just power it on.
Okay, like I said again, 100% do that if you're not like me, because I get most relaxed when watching something and or waiting for something. That's my fastest way to get through time. Not time traveling, by the way. I use I do this every day. At school, I plug my earphones in so I can hear one one side of my ear, I can hear music and start listening to it. Music gets me more focused, but the other ear, I can hear the lesson. So basically, I get more focused in the lesson and the studies. If you're like me, do what you do. But don't do it if you can't focus. I can focus on literally anything if I really wanted to or not really. I can focus good. But I actually get scolded a lot of times because teachers see me doing other things, but they don't know that I'm listening. Some people might take advantage of that. They think that they're not listening, but in spectrum, you are. Kinda useful to be exact. Sometimes I draw in class. My science teacher tried to warn me and listen. Of course I don't. I do. I have a lot of notes. I have. Like one lesson, I have like 3 pages full with notes. And the only notes I'm taking, it depends how long the period of time is 40 minutes every time. I have 5 classes, 40 minutes each. How I think to pass the time, I doodle, I draw, I take notes. Sometimes I say to myself, 15 minutes. 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I say 15 minutes again. Then after 15 minutes, 10 more minutes. See, it's like a reward. Okay, next.
Hack 5 is to just have good lighting whilst you're studying or doing your homework.
Yeah, good. I prepare my lighting down.
So
I prepare my lighting down, and I can focus on one thing while listening to music. What music I really listen to? Hello Boss, Has Been Hotel. The music is amazing if you're not comfortable with gore and the taste of downright adult music. Please don't listen to it, but I mostly listen to it because it gets me in the mood. And if you want something to get you in the mood, how about anime, lo-fi, relaxing music, piano, keyboard, something like that, something to help you. Okay,
I
next.
actually read this somewhere, and it was proven that if you write with blue pen, you write neater and just all in all better.
To be honest, I agree, but it's not really proven. If you want something that is relaxing, probably blue, pink. If you want something to make you work faster on, probably like me, I usually work faster on pencil, and you can still erase it. That's my favorite point about using pencils. Okay, next hack. Study hack number 7.
And the last hack is to set a timer for each piece of homework or revision that you do.
Yes, that is helpful. Usually I finish my homework in 5 minutes. I usually module. Last year I have module every week. I get I get 4 subjects for each day, and I finish them within 30 minutes. All of them. All questions is up to 30. All that I'm gonna reading is the fastest time I actually finished a module is 14 minutes. Yeah, I was listening to Attack on Titan, Sasageo on repeat because I love that song, Sasageo. Yeah. Get timers. Set your timer to like 1 hour. If you can't complete it, move on to a different subject that is hard. To the next subject. Okay. And plus, this is something I don't think they're gonna say. I'm not gonna assume the gender because they might be bi, lesbian, but do your homeworks from harder to easier, because every time you finish a homework it gets easier and easier. I learned that trick with my father. He is a chef, and he told me, if you're gonna do your homework, do it from hardest to easiest to easier. Easiest, easier, easiest. So it will get it will get it will get progressively easier for you, and you don't have to worry about something hard. You just need to get through the time. If you're really hard, if you're working on a really hard subject that you're harder, something like history, science, math, probably take a 2 hour timer. It will help you so much. If you can't, go easier and easier. And if you finally, or just ask your parents. Ask your parents, please do. They're not gonna think you're dumb. If they do, they're bad. If you're asking them, they'll be easier to learn, and the two of you or three of you can bond more or have more communication, because communication is the key in a family. Wow, that rhymed.
Because you don't want
I
to be
thought
spending
7.
a ridiculous amount of time on your with so put it on Joe. So yeah, that's really. And I know on my phone there is a setting called have good lighting, or even that if you write with blue pen, you write. Okay, guys, or revision that you do. Want to spending.
Okay, it is 7.
And the last hack is to set a
8.
timer for each piece of homework or revision that you do, because you don't want to be spending a ridiculous amount of time on your studies, because that's just going to cause mind blank or brain overload, and those things are never good.
Yeah. Actually, if you do want, challenge yourself to be productive. Set a low